Hello all. This morning while driving, my ABS light came on. Also the four-wheel drive flashes from time to time. I have to check to see what error is this. I've connected the OBD2 reader to the carport, and now let's see what kind of errors we have. I use a Think Diag Plus diagnostic tool. So it seems that we have a 4x4 error. Invalid data from the ABS anti-lock braking system. So, rear left wheel speed sensor input signal lost. So it seems that the left rear wheel is not sending the rotation speed. I will now clear the errors. Now the error is cleared, so let's see if it reappears if we drive. It does not seem to appear as of yet. Might have been some connection issue due to water or maybe something else. Let's check the data stream from the wheels. So it also seems to have a good data stream. Oh, we have low spikes and the ABS error appeared. Also the 4x4 flashed for a bit. It might be that the sensor is broken. I've driven for about 2 kilometers and now another low spike. It seems that there might be some connection issues after all. After the last drive, I had about 2 days in which no error showed. But then, right now, it started showing again. I believe that the sensor is gone. I will have to change it. As you can see, it's now gone completely. Now it spikes from time to time. There is a loose connection, or maybe the sensor is actually bad. So this is the cable for the speed sensor for the left rear wheel. disconnected here. I will remove it. This uses a 10mm socket. Sensor does not look damaged, but maybe the wires are broken inside. This is the new sensor I bought. Should be the same as the original. You can see the difference. Yeah, this is for the right side. I don't know if you can see it, but it says air here, and this is for left. I'm gonna install the correct bracket here. I'm prying the brackets open so that I can remove them. Also this one. Just a gentle squeeze. Another simple squeeze here. That should do the trick. Let's connect the sensor. Good. And now let's plug it in. Good, it's snug and fits well. Now let's mount the sensor in its position. It's a very snug fit. How to push it. Okay, good. And we are done. So after starting the car, I have the ABS light on, but it should clear up once we get moving if the sensor works okay. But I want to see the real data, the real-time data. So we need ABS, read data stream, select all, okay. Left rear wheel speed sensor. Okay, let's drive. We have a working sensor, so it seems, but the ABS error hasn't cleared up yet. Let's drive back. So after driving backwards, ABS sensor error disappeared. I guess now the sensor works and the system realized. Let's do a test drive. The sensor seems to work okay. We do not have dropped readouts, and also no error. So guys, it seems that the new sensor fixed the issue, and yeah, I'm happy about that. I will see you in another video. Bye bye.